Okay, this is Monday. This is week number 8, and we are actually going to cover Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Most of the information is about Wednesday. Okay? So on Monday, we talked about introduction to computers. We took the skills base. Unit 4 items are all we're doing Wednesday, and teachers' perspective due on Tuesday. Check their work for comments. Look at the assessments 1 through 3. We reviewed some of that information on Wednesday. I also talked to them about Tech Den. Tech Den is starting in the end of March. Be March 23rd, the first Tech Den in BCA-101. We're just going to talk about solve technology challenges that day. Alright. So we finished up talking about digital images. This would have been Wednesday. Okay, talked about digital images, cameras, scanners, and I actually talked about the bits. Talked about pixel. Iron and lace, we referred to that. She's pretty much taken care of her solutions, and we reviewed Raspberry. Bitmapped vector. This would be like Adobe Illustrator, where you can, we use the example of logos. Resize them and so forth. Alright, so talk a little bit about spreadsheets, outline, finishing up the units, talked about the project a little bit, and assessments. This work, we talked about Drive, Dan Pink this week. And we referred again to grade-driven, task-driven, knowledge-driven. Motivation and the science behind that. We reviewed that video at one point. Talked about studies, reward, cognitive skills. Studies have shown reward and the importance of cognitive skills. When you're doing task-driven items, yeah, some rewards would benefit that. But if you're doing cognitive skills, rewards typically don't improve that. We talked about grades. Are they a reward, or are they really an evaluation? Autonomy, engagement, mastery, and purpose. Talked about Bloom's taxonomy. Do you just remember? Do you understand the material? Can you apply the material? So an example would be spreadsheets. We did an assignment which really tested, I gave you the keys, so it really tested if you could remember how to create. And then we did a project. Hopefully then you could understand how that works. And then we did a skills-based assessment where you could apply that work. Same things in theory of the outline follows this same pattern too, to where hopefully you'll understand enough technology to be able to analyze and maybe eventually evaluate, make judgments based on technology. We took a picture in class with the students, and then they made some videos. Alright, and that is it. We then had spring break. And then we're back at it now after spring break. That is it.